Motor Testing Tutorial. Prepare 6 pieces AA batteries aka number 5 batteries and insert them into the battery module. Note: ensure the positive and negative terminals are correctly aligned and all 6 batteries have sufficient charge. Take one of the motors and firmly attach it to the battery-powered module. If the motor runs smoothly, it means it is in good condition. Note: ensure the module and motor are properly connected, otherwise, the motor will not function. Repeat the above steps to test the other motor, using the same criteria to judge the results. If a motor does not work during individual testing, please record a video and contact JMBricklayer customer support at vip@jmbricklayer.com. If both motors work during testing but do not function when installed in the build, there may be an issue with the assembly. In such cases, please refer to our official building guide and tutorial video, or contact our customer support team with a video of the issue.